Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's October 8th, coming at you with another video here. Today, we're going to give you an update on Profit Engine. We got a couple big things to cover. We'll give you some weekly updates on the numbers for the week on trading and how they've done. And we also have, they're going to be switching over their NFTs to trading on the Forex side. And they also have a utility that they've announced with some stable coin staking. We're getting into the details on that. So, what happened? I guess this past week they had 0.8%. So they've got the distribution done for that. And this will kind of be the week as they move into crypto, and they're going to go provide some of that trading pool into the Forex and the profit side. So we want to get in, dig into that on how the Forex trading is going to be utilized. They're going to be moving some of the funds over to that on the FX Nitro was the side that they utilize that. And I know I've been talking about covering this for a while. So if you want to, what they're doing with that one as well is it used to be £100 to get into that for the month, but now they're just going to take 20% of the profit. So if you want to get in over there and utilize this, you need to set up an MT4 or 5 account with your broker and then get this all set up. They have good information here. If you want to get into their Discord or their Telegram, they will set you up with that. But you want to get into trading on this one. And the Forex side has been doing very well. It's been providing between 6 and 60% a month, so it's averaging around 30%. They have had a few down months, but it's been higher percentages than it has been doing on their crypto trading. So this is why they're going to start utilizing this going forward and trading, and this is going to be part of the stablecoin staking that they're going to be doing as well. So this is the web page here if you want to get into it. ProfitEngine.info is where it is, and they have an FX Nitro tab. Here's the performance they've been doing. They had a little dip in here, which caused some of the down portions. So they have a realized return, and they've had some nice returns on this one. So if you want to utilize this just from the Forex side, or if you have the NFTs, you're going to be providing that. There's still about $55,000 on the NFTs. If you want to get into those, and you can mint those as well, and then utilize that as they move some of the trading pool over to this Forex side. So with this, I guess the other piece that they want to talk about is from the website here. They have USDT staking that's coming, and this is going to be allow your coins are going to be locked for a 6-month period and generating returns based on the FX Nitro returns. So they're going to utilize that money in there. You get your monthly rewards, so your money is locked, but you get monthly rewards. So anywhere from probably 6 to 60%. Again, not financial advice, and these returns are not guaranteed. They may go negative. They did have a little down spike, but that was not for the whole month. But they did have pieces there. So if you want to get into that one, click on the USDT. Right now, it's going to a wallet, just like when you're buying the fuel tokens previously, and then they will utilize that. They're going to have a dashboard set up where they can actually purchase this. So this is starting tomorrow on the 9th. You can use USDT and ETH or BSC, so on the Binance or ETH chain. You can set it into the wallet, and they will then put this in there in the staking going forward. So they have some numbers here based on $10,000. I know I don't have $10,000 to put in, but if you're compounding that over 6 months, you'd get from 10,000 to 29,000. So if you got 1,000, you'd have, you cut that down from 10,000 to 29,000. You're basically you're 3xing your money. So if you have 1,000, you get to $3,000. It'd be $860, or 29,860. Sorry. And so you basically almost just under $3,000. So if you want to get into this stable coin, allowing it's only going to last for a 12-month period. Your money is locked for 6. So at the end of 6 months, you can re-up it again for a year. They've only announced this for 1 year, so it's not going to go on in perpetuity, but they will allow it. And it's similar to everything else on the FX Nitro side. The returns are, they take 20% off the top for FX Nitro, whether you're into the program or if you're doing stable staking. 20% comes off, and then for people that are into the NFT that used to be the fuel token, 5% of that 20 from the staking is going into the trading pool. So the cost to the individual is only ever 20%. Doesn't matter whether you're in FX Nitro or you're just using the stable staking, it's 20%, but they're going to be utilizing 5% of that 20 from the stablecoin staking that's going back in. They're increasing the trading pool. So this is a utility that they're creating to drive up the pot, which is about 550K in the trading pool for the NFTs right now. So the couple things, FX Nitro is going to 20% off the top, whereas it used to be a monthly. So if you want to get into that one, you can utilize that as one of the utility. If you want to use stablecoin staking, and it's been averaging 30%, again, not guaranteed, and no previous returns are guaranteed in the future, but it's a good return on stablecoin staking even if you make 5 to 10%. But you do have to lock in your money for 6 months. So there's a choice there. So you can still buy into the NFTs. You can get into the FX Nitro side yourself with setting up an MT4, MT5 account, or you can get into the stablecoin staking. So we have that, and just the Telegram has the details around here if you want to get into that, how it's going to work. The dashboard is coming. I've covered this. Basically, if you compound it, it'll go forward. They have their monthly returns here, which I mentioned, 5.36% to 60 is kind of the week or the monthly returns that they've been having, and it's averaging around 30. And again, it's a 6-month period lockup, and the program ends at the end of 12 months. And they said it's kind of a one-time thing, and they may have another pool that they'll decide to do after that, or they may have another idea that they want to move forward. So Profit Engine is going forward. Again, now has 3 pieces that you can get into. Take a look at it. I do like this one. Again, not financial advice. If you do like my content, please like and subscribe. Looking forward to bringing you more. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.